So in today's class, we will be going through these topics. Mainly, the main thing to speak about is business partner. See, a business partner can be connected to multiple contract accounts, and under every contract account, there can be multiple contracts. In the SAP menu, in utilities industry, business master data, we get the business partner creation option, under which FPP1 is the transaction code. Let's check that out. I'm opening the instance. Are you able to view the screen?
No, sir. Yeah, I got the screen, sir. SAP screen.
Yeah, under this utilities industry, business master data, business partner, contract partner, and FPP1. We can create it as a person, organization, or group. We go for person first. So here is the business partner creation screen, wherein you have to give title, first name, last name, search term, address, and you can go for the creation. The next thing is creating the contract account. For this, under the business master data, we have CAA1 create. Here, the contract account, and under that is the contract. CAA1. And this is for the contract ES 21, 22, 27.
Will we cover contract also, sir?
Yeah, we will be covering everything. We will be taking up each and every creation one by one in the practical class. Today I will be showing you this main heads, and we will be mainly having this theory discussion today.
Okay, sir.
Then we will be moving into contract accounts receivable and payable. We go there through SPRO, financial accounting. So under contract accounts receivable and payable, we have organizational units, basic functions, business transactions, integration, closing operations, information system, data transfer, technical settings, program enhancements, euro changeover. This is the main area where we have to work. All FICA processes are covered under this. Under organizational units, we have already seen the setup of company code, then define company code groups, then assign company code to company code groups. Now under basic functions, we will be checking out SAP Business Partner, Business Data Toolset, Contract Accounts, Postings and Documents, Tax Postings, Open Item Management, Account Balance Display, Print Workbench, Correspondence, Customer Contacts. Then we will go into business transactions. Herein, we have the defined alternative currencies, security deposits, payments, automatic clearing, interest calculation, dunning notices, inbound correspondence dunning, additional receivables, returns, deferral and installment plans, loans, write-offs, submit to collection agency, transfers, reversals, deferred revenue postings, doubtful items and individual value adjustment, credit, revenue distribution. Particularly, this is the account balance display form. In under basic functions, we will check out the relevance of this later on. So contract accounts receivable and payable, FICA, the purpose of it is contract accounts receivable and payable, FICA is a subledger accounting for processing large document volumes and realizes the typical accounts receivable functions. It is an integral component.
I am on the SAP screen.
Okay, I will share this.
Yes.
So the essence of contract accounts receivable and payable is the purpose which it serves. Like contract accounts receivable and payable, FICA is a subledger accounting for processing large document volumes and realizes the typical accounts receivable functions. It is its main essence is its flexibility and handling massive volume of data. Previously, when single invoices used to be handled, it was done through FICO. And when we talk about 20K documents, open items to be processed in a single go, then FICA comes into place where we are having contract accounts, and once we post the reconciliation key, it is posted against the general ledger. All the subledgers are reconciled. It is an integral component of the MySAP financial solution and can be integrated with this and other solutions for additional tasks. Features: contract accounts receivable and payable covers the following components: basic functions, business transactions, integration, closing operations, information system, job control, European Monetary Union and contract accounts receivable and payable, archiving, contract accounts receivable and payable, interfaces for contract accounts receivable and payable. You can use the area menu FSCCAX. Now moving into basic functions, the purpose of this is you use this component to enter your basic settings for master data and to post and process documents. Mainly the basic functions give us the features to handle the documents. You can also use it to create and process master data and to post and process documents manually. So it as the FICA gives us this mass processing as well as parallel processing. So in parallel processing, you can also use it to create and process master data and to post and process documents manually. Some documents may be required to post it manually, that is done through parallel processing. Implementation considerations: you must implement all the components listed below. Features: this component consists of following detailed components: SAP Business Partner, Business Data Toolset, Contact Accounts Posting, Contact Accounts, followed by Postings and Documents, followed by Tax Postings, followed by Open Item Management, followed by Account Balance Display, followed by Print Workbench, followed by Correspondence, followed by Customer Contacts. Next, we move into business transactions. You use this component to post and process your business transactions within contract accounts receivable and payable. These processes are largely automatic. They are controlled by the settings you make in customizing, which you assign at business partner contract account level. However, you can also enter them in the line item if this particular line item is to be processed separately. So these business transactions are the things that we will be doing, where the number ranges will be coming into play. For any document, we have to create that particular number range, and then we have to do the configuration for that particular document for them to get registered in the system and then get processed through the reconciliation system. Features: this component consists of the following detailed components: debit entry and credit memos, security deposits, payments, interest calculation, dunning, returns, deferral and installment plans, write-offs, submission of receivables to external collection agencies, transferring open business partner items, transferring receivables and payables, deferred revenue postings, revenue distribution. Integration purpose: this component enables integration with general ledger accounting, cash management and forecast and controlling. So the documents of FICA get integrated with general ledger, that is a separate installation, cash management and forecast and controlling for the entire system to flow from one point to another. Features: this component consists of following detailed components: general ledger accounting, cash management and forecast, controlling, sales and distribution. Closing operations: this component currently consists of foreign currency valuation, doubtful receivables, reclassifications. Information system purpose: this component covers the functional scope of information system. The information system offers you the option of evaluating your data according to certain criteria. Features: the following reports are available. These reports we will be checking out. RFKKCF underscore delete allows you to delete entries that have been resolved. RFKKCF underscore statistics allows you to display items that have been resolved and items that still need to be processed. Followed by RFKKBELJ00 creates a list of all the documents in the system and an index for optical archiving. SAP menu, periodic processing, closing preparations document journal. We have to make sure that we read the report documentation properly. Then moving into job control integration, there are two types of jobs in SAP system: standard jobs in basis, jobs in contract accounts receivable and payable for parallel mass processing. The jobs in contract accounts receivable and payable form a logical layer above the standard jobs and use their services. So whenever a set of document is getting posted, be it invoice, be it bill, be it credit memo, that falls under a specific job. And whenever you have come across, when we were creating company code, then company code groups, and assigning company code to company code groups, for every transaction a request is generated, and these are functions in the background. They take care of the activities. Features: job control in contract accounts receivable and payable takes place with the job commander, external and internal, and with the job containers, internal only. The job commander is the central cross-client job control tool with which you can display the evaluate any type of job. The following functions have been implemented: tabular overview of available jobs, detailed information display for individual jobs, job log display, event determination for the start and end of a job. You can coordinate and control cross-client job scheduling and execution with the job containers. Next, moving into archiving. Purpose. The purpose of archiving is to remove mass data from the database. This is data that you no longer require operatively in the system but want to keep integration. The basics of the SAP archiving concept are described in Archive Development Kit ADK. Features. At present, you can archive the following objects, that is documents, official document numbers, payment lots, returns history, correspondence. Moving into contract accounts, running history, business partners, check management, customer contacts, requests, revenue distribution table, revenue reporting tables, tax reporting tables, additional table for tax reporting. Interfaces in contract accounts receivable and payable. Purpose. The following tools are available in contract accounts receivable and payable to transfer data from external systems: programs for automatic data transfer, business APIs, and IDOC interfaces. So interfaces are those layers in the system through which we have the data transferring from one system to another system. Because there are this SAP S/4HANA instance, or for example ECC instance, working as the base SAP system, but the clients may have their own customized systems in their place, and they are working in their own system, which may be a, for example, customized ERP like Java based Java programming language system or anything like that, and the entire data from there, they don't have access to your Delhi electricity board SAP system, but they just entered their business data in their system, and through interfaces, this data gets imported to your SAP system, where you do the main processing and operations and configurations that are needed, and then the data again is the output is sent back to their customer system, where they get the final reports. So this happens through the various interfaces in SAP.